Hello, I thought I would just show you with a quick screencast. When you're in the edit area, up here there's this insert button, and you can insert images, but you can also insert animation. And so if you insert an animation over here, you can create a zoom area, and you can also zoom out. So I'm going to show you, I'm just going to drop a picture in here for fun. So I've got my little picture here. I'm going to drop in this icon of me, which I just drag and drop, and I'm going to shrink it a little bit. And so let's say it's super tiny. Like, well, can you see it or not? What we can do is, well, we can zoom in, and we can create in the animation area a zoom area. And it will create this box, which I can then resize to any level. And I can even, and now it's going to zoom there at the very end. See where the line is here? At the end, it's going to zoom in. I can change that over here by actually moving this up in the frame there, and so now it's going to zoom in to the image next. And I can even create another zoom area if I really wanted to on just my eyeball here, and now it's going to zoom into the eyeball. See where it's dropped it in? And so on the left-hand side, you have where, what comes next, the different zoom areas and the different infographics. And then you can control that over here. And so now if I go to present, what happens is you have this very small image, but it will zoom in and then even zoom in further. Okay? And so you can kind of control that. And this is the example that I shared with you as well. So now it's going to go into the infographic and this infographic, and if we go back into the editing here, for example, in this infographic, we can add a zoom area. If I want to zoom in on a particular piece of the data, let's say it's small writing, we want to go in on this 47 right here, we can resize the zoom area, and you'll see now it's going to zoom to that area after you're in here, and it kicks it in. Now, these are low-resolution images, but if they're high-resolution images, which I'm sure is what you're uploading, you'll be able to zoom in and take a look. I hope this helps. Thank you so much.